If you are tired of crammed closets, overflowing drawers, and bulky suitcases that barely zip shut, you need to check this out. These vacuum storage bags are an absolute game changer for anyone looking to organize their home or save space while traveling. The set comes with a great variety of bag sizes, making it super easy to pack everything from everyday sweaters and hoodies to giant winter coats, bulky jackets, and heavy bedding sets. Using them couldn't be simpler. All you do is fold your clothes, place them inside, and lock the double zipper using the plastic stay-on clip to ensure a complete airtight seal. What's awesome is that it comes with a lightweight blue hand pump. It's super convenient and compact, so you can easily throw it into your luggage and use it when you're traveling back home. Or if you're doing a big home cleanup, just attach your regular vacuum cleaner, like a Shark or any hose vacuum, and watch it shrink everything down in just a few seconds. Just take a look at this before and after difference. Measuring the pile before compression versus after shows you literally save up to 80% of your storage space. The plastic material is thick, heavy-duty, and tear-resistant. Plus, it completely protects your favorite clothes from dust, moisture, insects, and odors while in storage. If you want to transform your messy closet, free up extra room, and keep your wardrobe protected, you know what you need. Grab this set right here and get organized today.